Why would a man willingly miss a Champions League final? Why would he ignore weekend banter, derby arguments, and Monday morning debates? Is he antisocial, or is he focused? Is he boring, or is he building something? What kind of man doesn't watch football in a world where football feels like a religion? Today, we're breaking down the mindset of men who don't watch football not to judge, not to praise blindly, but to understand how they think, how they live, and why they choose differently. Stay till the end, because one of these mindsets might challenge how you use your time. Before we go deeper, subscribe to this channel if you enjoy psychology, discipline, and the hidden thinking patterns of Peel. Like this video, it helps push this message to the right people. Now let's begin. 1. They see time as a currency. Ask yourself this: if football matches are 90 minutes long and pre-match talk is 30 minutes and post-match arguments last hours, how much time is really gone? Men who don't watch football often see time not as entertainment, but as currency. To them, time is something you spend, invest, or waste. While others are memorizing lineups, they're memorizing skills. While others are debating referees, they're debating business ideas in their own heads. It's not that they hate football, they just hate unconscious time loss. 2. They don't borrow emotions. Why cry over a goal scored by someone you'll never meet? Why let your mood depend on a club owned by billionaires who don't know your name? Men who don't watch football are often emotionally selective. They don't borrow happiness from wins they didn't earn. They don't borrow anger from losses they didn't cause. Their emotional energy is reserved for their work, their growth, their family, their future. They prefer real victories over symbolic ones. 3. They are comfortable being different. Let's be honest, in many places, not watching football makes you an outsider. You miss jokes, you miss conversations, you miss social bonding. So here's the real question: what kind of man can stand alone without explaining himself? Men who don't watch football are often comfortable being misunderstood. They don't need group approval to validate their choices. They would rather be quiet than fake, focused than trendy, different than distracted. That level of independence doesn't come from arrogance, it comes from self-clarity. Quick question for you: do you watch football, or did you stop? Why? Drop your answer in the comments. I read them all. 4. They think long-term, not weekend-to-weekend. Football culture thrives on weekly cycles. This match, next season. But men who don't watch football often live in years, not weekends. They ask, where will I be in 5 years? What skill compounds over time? What sacrifice today creates freedom tomorrow? While others reset emotionally every Monday, they're stacking small wins quietly. No noise, no hype, just progress. 5. Not all of them are better men. Now let's be honest, not watching football doesn't automatically make a man disciplined, smart, or successful. Some men don't watch football because they're addicted to social media. They're lost, not focused. They replace football with another distraction. The real difference isn't what you avoid, it's what you replace it with. Focus without direction is still emptiness. So what truly separates these men? It's not football, it's intentional living. Men who don't watch football often ask, is this aligned with my goals? Is this moving me forward? Is this how I want to spend my energy? They design their lives on purpose, not by default. So the real question isn't, why don't you watch football? The real question is, are you conscious of how you live, or are you just following the crowd? Whether you love football or not, the lesson is simple: your attention shapes your future. Choose wisely. If this video made you think, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who lives differently. More videos on human psychology, discipline, and mindset are coming. Until next time, stay aware, stay intentional.